So good day everyone, my name is Jmar Isabali from Best MTK Pilot. So this is the video tutorial about arithmetic sequence. So what is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers such that the difference from any succeeding term to its preceding term remains constant throughout the sequence. So this is the formula in the problem. So we have the formula is an is equal to a sub 1 plus also open parenthesis n minus 1 then times d. So this is the problem. So we need to find the common difference. So the common difference is 5. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, then 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, then 13 plus 5 is equal to 18, and so on. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth term. So let's find the sixth term. Thus the sixth term is, so let's follow the formula. An is equal to a sub 1 plus also open parenthesis n minus 1 times d. So this is the sixth term. So we need to find the sixth term. So a sub 1 is 3. A sub 1 is 3 plus n which is the sixth term. So 6 minus 1 times d. The d is difference, common difference, which is 5. So 5. So bring down 3 plus 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then bring down 5. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25 plus 3. So the sixth term, or a sub 6, is equal to 3 plus 25 is equal to 28. So a sub 6 is equal to 28. So this is the sixth term. So this is the geometric sequence. So what is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence, a geometric progression, also known as geometric sequence, is a mathematical sequence of non-zero numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one by fixed numbers called the common ratio. So this is the formula. The formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So this is the sequence or the problem. So 5, 15, 45, 135. So the common ratio of this sequence is 3. So 5 times 3 equals to 15. Then 15 times 3 is equal to 45. Then 45 times 3 is equal to 135.